Exercise 2.11, first question, simplify. You have to simplify 125 to the power 2 by 3. This 125, I can write it as 5 cube because 5 if you multiply 3 times, 5 into 5, you get 125. இங்கே டினாமினேட்டரில் வெளியில் இருக்கிற பவரில் டினாமினேட்டர் 2/3 இருக்கா? அப்போ அதுதான் நமக்கு யோசிக்க தோணும். எந்த நம்பர் 3 டைம்ஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 125 வரும். நம்ம 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேயே இது படிச்சிருக்கோம். இப்படி ஒரு ரூல், a to the power m into n இப்படி இருந்தால் we can write it as a to the power m into n. That is, you can multiply these powers. So I will have 5 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. According to this rule, a to the power m, outside if you have n, I can write it as a to the power m into n. So 3 into 2 by 3. I can reduce this 3 and this 3. So I will have 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. So the answer is 25. So the simplified form is 25. Now let us see second subdivision. Second subdivision, the question is 16 to the power minus 3 by 4. இப்போ இந்த வெளியில் இருக்கிற பவரில் டினாமினேட்டரில் என்ன இருக்குது? 4. So I have to think which number I multiply 4 times I get 16. So இதை நான் 2 to the power 4 எழுதலாம். Outside I have minus 3 by 4. Again using the same rule, I can multiply this both. So I will have 2 to the power m into minus 3 by 4. You can see this 4 and this 4 getting cancelled. You will have 2 to the power minus 3. We know that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. If you have a negative power, I can bring it to the denominator. So this I can write it as 1 by 2 to the power 3. To avoid the negative sign, let me bring to that down. So 1 by 2 cube means I'll have the answer 1 by 8. So this is the answer for the second subdivision. Now third subdivision question. The third subdivision question is minus 1000 to the power minus 2 by 3. The third subdivision question, minus 1000 to the power minus 2 by 3. So this I can write it as denominator we have 3 in the power. So I have to think which number 3 times if I multiply I get minus 1000. So minus 10 to the power 3. Outside I have minus 2 by 3. So using these rules, I can multiply this power. So I will have minus 10 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3. This 3 and this 3 I can cancel. So I will have minus 10 to the power minus 2. I want to avoid the negative sign in the power. So using this rule, I can write it as 1 by minus 10 whole square. So in the power the minus 2 goes off. And we know that minus 10 if I multiply 2 times, minus 10 into minus 10, the answer is 100. So the answer is 1 by 100. Now let us see fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision, the question is 3 to the power minus 6. Outside you are having 1 by 3. Now this I can multiply and write it as 3 to the power minus 6 into 1 by 3. This 3 and 6 I can cancel. So I will have 3 to the power minus 2. Use this rule whenever we have negative power. I want to remove the negative sign in the power means I can write it as 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9. So this is the answer for fourth subdivision. Now fifth subdivision. The question is 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. 27 to the power minus 1 by 3. We have learned in our 8th standard a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. When both the place the base is same, power if you have m and if you have power m and it is division means I can subtract the powers. Using this I can write it as 27 to the power minus 2 by 3 minus of minus 1 by 3. I have to subtract the powers, but here already I have minus sign, so I have written as minus of minus 1 by 3. So this I will have 27 to the power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, when I do the simplification I will have 27 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now this 27 I can write it as 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3, outside I have minus 1 by 3. Now let me multiply this. So 3 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. You can see this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. 3 to the power minus 1, I can write it as 1 by 3. So the answer for the last subdivision is 1 by 3.